Here is something I just discovered in Cloyd. To be sincere, they have actually upgraded their level of PowerPoint presentation. And I'm going to show you briefly how you can bring in your document, whether it's a raw draft document, and then it's going to walk through the document and create a PowerPoint slides for you. So let's dive into it. Here, I have some files in my on my desktop that I have created, file on storytelling. Now, it's a raw draft, but it is not structured. But now I want to turn what I taught on that live stream into a masterclass and also to create the PowerPoint slide. So what I just need to do is I will just type based after uploading the raw draft based on this document, turn this turn the information into a masterclass and create the presentation, the presentation slides. Don't forget, I have just given it a raw draft. It's not well organized, but with this now, it's going to work on the document, turn it into a masterclass session, into modules, and then it's going to create the PowerPoint slides. So let's see what it's going to generate. This is part of repurposing content. So today I just want to show you the beautiful PowerPoint slides that Claude is creating. So let's wait a bit. It's going to take few minutes. So it actually took about 4 5 minutes, and now you can see the processing in Claude. Now I'll create a professional masterclass presentation. I see. So it walk you through the process. It's going to organize it. Can you see all this? And actually, the raw draft is talking about something about storytelling, and which is something I do teach people. It gave me the outline and also put in all the information. Look at the PowerPoint slide. Let me move this to the side. Can you see the storytelling for business success? Yeah. Uh, can you see all this? How the PowerPoint looks like. This is amazing and sweet. I really love, the content, the PowerPoint presentation done by Floyd recently. So I felt I should just share this. If you have a draft of document and you're thinking of creating a course material from it or a PowerPoint slide, then you can actually use Claude AI to do this. And this is well prepared that I can now record my session and have it in my community and in my class. All right, I hope you got value from this video. You can help me share this so that others can learn about the power in, the PowerPoint presentation created by Claude. Thank you.